Hello everyone, Teacher Li Ping here. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm so glad to see you here again. As we all know that the holiday season is here, and do you know what are some of the great gift-giving ideas for your Chinese friends and business partners? Today, I'm going to talk about giving gifts in Chinese culture. In my last video, I talked about the top 5 Chinese gift ideas you should avoid. So in today's video, I will share some common great ideas of Chinese gifts giving. Number 1, tea, 茶叶. There's a long history and cultural value behind tea in China, and most Chinese people love to drink tea. Myself is a tea lover as well. However, please remember to avoid giving tea bags. Instead, give away high-quality tea leaves in a nice tin can. Here are the top 3 Chinese teas for gifts. 龙井绿茶, Chinese Dragon Wild Green Tea. 武夷山大红袍, Wuyi Mountain 大红袍 Black Tea. 铁观音 Tea. It's a type of oolong tea. Number 2, fruits, 水果. Fresh fruit is a very popular gift choice when gifted at the Chinese New Year. Symbolizes life, new beginnings. A basket full of apples, oranges, kiwis, and other seasonal or fresh fruits is always a good choice. But remember, no pears, because in Chinese, pear is li, which sounds exactly the same as the word li, which means to break off or leave. So if you're sending pears to your friends, you're sending the message that you want to break off the relationship with them. Number 3, 白酒, alcohol. Alcohol is also a good choice for gift giving. Within the business culture, the custom of toasting and drinking alcohol in China is very popular and important. Therefore, a nice bottle of wine, 葡萄酒, or champagne, 香槟, can go a long way. But remember to buy a quality brand. Alternatively, you can offer the most well-known Chinese 白酒 brand, which is 茅台酒, as a way of expressing affinity with Chinese culture. Number 4, 红包, red envelopes with money. Giving money in red envelopes is very common in China, especially during the Chinese New Year, at weddings, and on birthdays. You can give red envelopes to your friends, family, co-workers, relatives, and your employees. The amount of money depends on how close you are to that person. However, there are certain rules and customs you need to follow. Be sure all the bills are crisp and brand new from the bank, no old and crumpled bills in red envelopes. The amount of money in the envelope should never include number 4. That means not 4, 40, 400, 4,000 amount of money. Because the pronunciation of 4 in Chinese sounds like the word for death. Avoid offering up a large sum of cash in an envelope for your Chinese business partners unless you are giving a wedding gift. Otherwise, it will be considered as bribery. Number 5, 保健品, nutrition and health products. There's the old saying in Chinese, 送礼送健康, 送礼送健康. It literally means giving people health as a gift. Some common health products gifts in China include probiotics, multivitamins, famous Chinese herbals such as ginseng, and so on. Number 6, plants, 植物, giving a lucky plant as a gift, like growing Chinese money plant, 金钱树, or bamboo tree plants, 富贵竹. A quick recap on vocabularies in this video. 茶叶, 水果, 白酒, 葡萄酒, 香槟, 红包, 植物, 金钱树, 富贵竹, Alright friends, this is all for today's video. If you have any other questions in terms of Chinese gift giving, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to it. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.